Hi, welcome back to Art Fantastic and on how to draw Cruella De Vil. In this part I'll be showing you where to put all of the colours and things like that. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to get this black pen or any sort of black pen you have, and you want to go around all of the character just so every detail shows up. Okay, so now we have gone round with this black pen and gone over all of the lines and rubbed off all of the pencil. We can now get started on the colouring. So what we're going to start with is her face, and we're just going to colour it in this light beige. You want the lightest shade possible, and then you just want to go and do her earrings in this blue and also her ring and her cigarette. And then you can just go around with the red, and her red is her lipstick, and then it's also her hands and her arms because she's wearing gloves. And then what you want to do is you want to get two different greens like this, and you want to put them on her eyelids because it's her eyeshadow.
There goes a sight from my soul.
So once you have done all that, don't forget to add in some shades. So just get your brown and go around in the corners, and then get the black pen to go around in these corners too. And I've also added some black near the eyes and then on the earring and the ring, and I've also rubbed off a bit so it looks a bit more shiny. And don't forget to do this leg as well because I almost forgot to colour it in. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do everything that is in black. So that is her dress, one side of her hair, and then these little spots on the...
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Once you have done all of the black all over the outfit and also on the hair and the dress, we can now move on to doing the brown and the gold. So the gold, you want it to be on these little dots right here on her bag and right here. And then for the brown, you want it to be all inside of her dress and in her sleeves. So let's finish it off then.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
So what I did with the inside of the coat, I didn't just do it in this brown, I also did it in some orange. So it's brown and orange, and then I went back on top of the orange with this brown so it wasn't too orange. And then I just blended it all in. And then as for the gold, you just want to rub off some bits with your rubber just so it looks shiny, and you also want to add some black bits to add some shades. Otherwise there's only one thing left to do, and that's the smoke. The smoke is not a normal colour, it's like a green colour, so you just want to do that.
Now there goes a sight from there goes a
What I did with the smoke is I added in some black just to make it look more gross and kind of creepy at the same time. And I did the smoke in a really dark green so it looks like really disgusting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight.